Do you think the value of the money you're holding right now is going down? Welcome to Speed Tip 1, Time Value of Money. Say you're holding a $100 currency note. Do you think you would know what its value is after a year? Do you think it's still $100? What if I told you that it's less than $100? You look shocked. Well, don't be. This is the time value of money. It's a concept that affects all of us. So, how is this concept useful to you and me? Any money that you hold right now is different in value compared to, say, 1 year from now. That's known as the relative time value of money. So, in a way, you could say the dollar value today is higher than its value 1 year from now. This concept teaches us to be more prudent with the money that we are holding right now. And why would that be? Well, simply because the money you're holding right now is already with you to make equity investments, real estate investments, do whatever with it. You could also not use it very sensibly, considering that its value is going to go down in later years. How would you know the application of this principle, or where do you see this principle in your day-to-day life? Well, take the case of the businesses like Amazon and every other company who want to give you a 10% or 15% discount if you paid up all the amount right now. That's because companies realize that the money that they will get right now has got a higher value than much later. So that's the reason they are offering you an incentive to pay right up front. So what's the takeaway from this? It's simply that you must treat money that you currently have as precious. Did you like that speed tip on time value of money? Subscribe then for more such speed tips. The next one will be on the percentages trap. It's a trap that a lot of us fall into. We'll see how that works out. See you in the next speed tip.